joining, and also other people from community. So I'm looking forward to all the updates. We already prepared for this and shared what we expect from today. So come with the best energy that you can. We usually host these demo days every 2 weeks, and every 2 weeks builders show something different. Last demo day was showing post 1 month, where have the teams come, and we did see lots of growth. So the team today will be focusing on the last 2 weeks, what happened, what have they shaped, what are the pivots, if any, and what are the numbers or like the metrics in terms of growth and also the builds. The demo days happen 3 to 4 p.m. UTC here via Google Meet. And again, excited to have you all. Okay, so guys, if you can turn on your videos, that would be cool, so that I can take a very cool selfie, and then we get started right away. Okay, the selfie, I take it in 1, 2. If you can turn on your videos, that will be good. Taking the selfie now. Mavi, Kemi, Sam, I think Olivia. You're the guys I can see on screen. So if you can turn on your videos, that will be cool. And just make a cool selfie. So 1, 2, 3, go, smiles. Thank you. I have taken it and now we are ready to go. So again, I'm just going to go through this very shortly. I think around 2 minutes to just be done with everything. I'll try my best, but if I'm speaking too fast, please let me know as well. Okay, so I think as I just mentioned, we're going to go through basically the key dates, what we want to see, program updates, progress snapshot, like basically like where the teams are for everybody who's new, and then we're going to have team presentations. I know that every time I keep saying, let's keep time, but please, 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 today I hope that all of you stick to 6 minutes at most, and nobody goes over, so that we can finish the call on time. So demo day today, and then tomorrow 12 p.m. UTC, a new epoch will open, and basically we will continue building towards demo day 5 and also epoch 5. So again, what you want to see, what changed since demo day 3, since the 1 month update, your biggest pivot or improvement. I know all of you have grown in terms of numbers, so I want to see that. And then what's next for you in the following epoch, knowing that we have 2 more, we have at least 1 more month to go for you to continue building and also reach your goals. As the call is ongoing, I'm also letting in people to the call. So please allow me to just lag a bit, but I'll make sure to be on time. So program updates, since I think the last week and before, we've been doing builder highlights now every day. So if you've not seen your team being spotlighted, it's not because you're doing anything wrong. It's just that, the way we arranged everything, your time or your schedule has not been reached yet. Today we should have Blockslide going out actually shortly, because I did schedule that. And so yeah, we are highlighting what the builders are doing, how to use their apps, basically like all the growth and the impact that they're making in the ecosystem. Check that out on our X platform, GoodDollar.org. Then in progress, we have, I know we've been talking about Unseed integration, and this is an integration where you get to have more AI credits and also discounts on the AI credits. We all know that, all of us are using AI, and so we've come up with a cool way to ensure that you can get bonus credits, and you can also get discounts on AI credits. If you're using Claude, Codex, ChatGPT, whatever you're using, you can get discounts, and also you can get a bonus. If you use AI very frequently, you know how useful this could be. I will share this as the first builder goes to present. And then all our comms, we do them on Telegram and FlowState. So if you're a community member, I will also share that link, and you can view the teams on FlowState, and also you can view the communications we do on Telegram. And then for the builders, we've been talking about engagement rewards with all of you. So please check, check basically and check if you've been accepted, and if not, let me know. And then we have we have the team presentation presented here, but I'm just going to move over that very quickly because everybody has received that information. And we've had quite a success this season. Almost every team surpassing the 200 users mark. We have Game Arena with over 1.3 M, G moving around, Valor at 3.3 M, 300 verified users, GoodDrops at 350 plus users, I think as of today, 22 to 21 players. And also like 2.5 mg moved, and then Blockslide with 232 total players, 72 of those who are verified, and then 42,000 G in circulation. Then we have Delulu with over 1,600 users now, over 1.3 million G flowing, 140 new users since last demo day. And then we have Onwards, almost surpassing the 1 million G in circulation for 48 unique learners. We have Action Order also with over 1.8 G in circulation, and then 109 G users and basically 125 unique wallets. Then we have GoodAgent, who have surpassed 100 agents and over 500K distributed as rewards through a new campaign, and I'm sure they will all share this with us. And then the other update is that we have a workshop happening on 3rd September, being hosted by one of our very own mentors, Jill Simon, on Web3 Without the Complexity. We'll basically go through the success stories of different projects that have ongoing, the different projects that have been successful in the Web3 ecosystem, and seeing how we can translate that knowledge to you guys. That is all in terms of presentation. If you need any support, do let me know. For now, I will move very quickly to the team presentations, and I'm already over by 3 minutes, so please let's make sure we keep time. Salake, you are up next. Please feel free to start presenting. Welcome. I'm looking forward to all the updates.
Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? You can hear me, right?
Okay, yes, yeah. I can hear you.
So welcome. So yeah, I'm from Team GoodDrops. I'm here to present what we've been able to accomplish in this epoch. So straight to it, our progress since demo day 3, we've jumped from 70 users to about 300 plus users currently, and we have currently we have about $2 million G dollars in circulation in GoodDrops, with about 2,500 jobs that have been claimed, with 6,700 total transactions. We've also done 2 campus campaigns in the past 2 weeks, which has been able to get us this amount of users in such a time. So we also integrated NFT badges, as I mentioned in the previous demo day, and so far we've minted about 350 NFT badges so far. So yeah, what we shipped this epoch. So we are currently a referral. We shipped a full referral competition system where we're able to track referrals, and people that refer users are able to get rewards in form of drops and G dollar tokens. So we've also we shipped merchants rewards where businesses can launch on the platform and do merchant drops that are locked with tax, e.g., come and visit us today, patronize us today, etc. So once those tasks have been accomplished, the merchant confirms it and the drop is released to the user. Then we've also we shipped NFT badges with over 350 badges minted, as I mentioned before, and we've done campus sprint and a referral competition. The referral competition is currently ongoing and it's going to last till Friday. So far with the referral competition, we've already gotten an extra 20 users in just 2 days of the competition. So can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so for the next 2 weeks, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to have an event set up where events are going to be able to register on GoodDrops and create jobs that are specific to events in the events grounds and all that. We also hope to do more campus activations and more campaigns in order to get more users and more G dollars circulating in GoodDrops. They are also working on a UI revamp where we are going to make our UI and UX much better for our users so that they can easily navigate the app. So what we ask for votes on flow states from both mentors and community members that believe in GoodDrops so that we can further push the agenda of GoodDrops here. Then also, yeah, that is basically all that we've done so far on GoodDrops for the past 2 weeks. I don't know if there's any questions.
Awesome. Thanks, Sarake. I have a question, and that is
Okay.
the businesses that you've integrated so far.
Okay.
How many of them have started using GoodDrops? As always, I think this is an amazing project, and just want to see how businesses here can use it.
Okay. Okay. So far we have two businesses. So these businesses are campus businesses. The first business basically deals with school items such as printing, buying of stationaries, and basically school essentials. So users go to the shop, patronize them, and all that. That's basically so the business creates jobs around their vicinity to be able to create publicity for their business in school group chats and all that. So when they create the jobs, they share to their campus TVs and socials. So they know that, oh, if you come and visit our store, you are able to get $1, $0.5, and so on. So that drives students to come to their business and patronize them. So it adds as publicity and an extra incentive for people to actually come to the business, and it also helps with onboarding as well. So that is it. So the other business is kind of similar to the first one. So yeah.
Okay. Awesome presentation. Happy to hear about like the jump in terms of users, people using GoodDrops. As you know, that's one of the best use cases. Happy to see a lot of G circulating as well. And congratulations for all the growth. I hope to see you closer to the milestones that you set for yourself as we head to see demo day 5. Next team, please take it over and let's go fast, just as Salake has gone. Thank you. That should be Zinta.
Okay. Hi. Hello, everyone. Let me share my screen quick. Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Zinta. I'm from the Delulu team, and I'm the founder of Delulu. So I am building Delulu, and if you're new here wondering what Delulu is all about, so Delulu is basically a stake or lose accountability app. You put real G on the line against your own goal, and if you miss the deadline, the stake gets forfeited to yourself, a friend, or a charity, or the community pool. So what makes us different from most goal tracking apps out there is that most of them rely on notifications and streaks, and this has been proven to be very weak. People most times ignore notifications, and the streak guilds wears off. So this app makes the cost of failure financial. So you put money, and if you don't meet up with your goals, you lose. So there's something on the line, and it has been proven that most people tend to keep to their goals when there is something of value to them at stake. So that is what Delulu is all about. So from the last epoch, what changed? So from the last epoch, we have been able to onboard 150 new addresses on GoodDollar. So, and from the last epoch, we had 1,473 users on Delulu, and now we are at 1,600 plus. So this can be verified on our Dune dashboard. So this is our growth so far from the last epoch. And for our growth in G, we've been able to hit 1 million plus G in circulation. And this is actually a very massive milestone from us, because from the last epoch, we were at just 30475, and now we are at 1M plus. So with over 228 increase, and this can also be verified on our Dune dashboard. And the next thing is our transaction. We've been able to hit 5,000 plus transaction. So this is actually massive for us because we are not an app that generates much transaction because it's a goal tracking app, and people usually just come in daily to submit their proofs. So for us to be able to hit 5,000 transactions, it means that we have users who are keeping up with their goals and doing what they are expected to do on the app. So yeah, that's it for our transaction. And so our biggest pivot from the last epoch is that you can now set an instant goal or an instant tax on Delulu. So before now, when you create a forfeit, you set your goal and choose how you like to verify. And then it's basically a loop. So it allows you to create goals for a couple of days, not just something instant for hours. So we have been able to add this, and it has really shaped our app. Because you can now create an instant goal and set maybe, let's say, 2 hours. So I will, for example, what we have here says, I will submit a pitch deck for Delulu in the next 2 hours, and you select the duration. And that if you don't do that, you will forfeit to either Delulu, charity, or a friend, and the amount you forfeit. So yeah, this is our biggest pivot and also improvement on Delulu. Then our next milestones, the first one is growth. So we are looking to cross over 2 million G flowing through the app and also reach our 2,000 users goal. So from the beginning of this epoch, this season, we had just 800 users, and we've been able to grow from that 800 to 1,600 plus users now. And we believe that by the end of Epoch 5, we would be able to reach our goal of 2,000 verified users. And the next milestone for this epoch, the coming epoch, is referral campaign. Well, because we want to reach our 2,000 users goal, we are hoping to use the referral campaign to get more users. It is one of the strategies that we want to deploy to onboard more users on Delulu. And the last thing for our next milestone is the weekly recap card. So since users are on the app, keeping up with their goals, showing up, we'd like to have a little shareable card where they can flex their milestones on social media. We believe that this is really going to help them feel better and show them their progress so far from where they've started and where they are now, and also a way for us to get more publicity and people know that, oh, there is an app that helps you do this and that. So yeah, that's it for our next milestones. And please, that is all we have done. Please vote for us or in flow state so we can continue building Delulu. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Such good work from you. Cool project. If you haven't tried Delulu, please go and try. I love the new forfeit app. Congratulations, and looking forward to the 2K or more because we're heading to 5,000 in the next epoch or in the next demo day. Congrats. And also, if you can help me to put the links, so Salake and Zinta, just put the links, and then everybody after our team presents, encourage them by also voting for them and also clapping for them in the chat. Next, we have Valor. If you can keep time, that would be amazing. Mavi, take it away. Mavi, are you around? If you're speaking, you are on mute. Okay. Maybe we can have Game Arena.
I'm here. I'm here.
Or... Okay.
Yeah. So I'm trying to share my screen now.
Okay. If you're facing a challenge, we could have Oga's Boys or Precious. They go first and then you come next. Mavi?
Okay, yeah, okay, that's fine.
Okay, let's do that. Oga's voice, Prince. Are you on the call?
Yes, I'm on the call. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Take it away. Let's try to keep time.
Okay. So, based on what we actually shipped so far, our recap was we build out your own AI agent and send to Markov for on chain, and all the leaderboard actually has to have a name on it, and each of the agents for per player should obviously be one. So you just have like a companion agent. So that's what we did, and we did like a repayout and have like a sponsor and partner with other, flow good builder leaders actually. So the next one, so what we actually have now on chain our event engine is that our prize pool was drawn by a player can actually challenge other friends. They can challenge their friend in a room, stake $G, and once they're done with that, they can actually like pay it out. So that's what we actually built so far in our new epoch. And now our Markov now our voice on it now, whereby it's actually going to like sound, truth or bluff. And so for now, our we move right now is that throughout our price pool and everything on our events, we actually moved the goal, 1.38 million $G moved throughout game arena. And we actually paid a lot of the verified players, the arena cup with our GoodAgent too, because we collab together and everything has been paid. And so far, throughout the game, we actually raised to 664 players. We have 51,000 transactions and everything is actually what's verifiable. So for now, our Markov with our GoodAgent, we actually crossed so far 3,780 transactions, and everything was paid out today. So what we actually said, our voice Markov, our AI now can actually talk, and now you can actually like challenge your friends. We have all of our automatic payouts and the rest, and our first sponsor event with GoodAgent, which everything has been done and it was successful, and our price pool pilots. So what totally broke, player was really panicked regarding our AI agent because me and the GoodAgent were trying to resolve some bugs and they were really panicked, thought they were rigged because that score wasn't counting. So we had to fix that and everything was actually what settled. So what we have now in our next milestone for our next partner with our other good builder called Blockslide, where we're going to partner with it, and our next one is our community plus sponsored price pool on repeat. So right now our rivalry is our 8 records and so on, and our good collective, whereby each of the payout or anything that they do in game arena, someone is going to route it back to charity. So that's what we have done so far. And our two acts is just vote for us, play the game. If you have any feedback, submit into our form. We have like our feedback form actually. So thank you guys for this opportunity and to our partnership with others.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Good job. And also integrating with Blockslide. That would be interesting to see. Congratulations on growing almost, I think, with 200 plus users. That is awesome. I also hope to see the G users also growing. And for everybody who doesn't know, Game Arena is a very cool studio game that has like very fun games that you can try out and play. If you get bored with one, you can go to the other. Super interesting. Drop the link, Prince, in the chat. Good job. Hoping to see a lot more growth in Demo Day 5. Valor, Mavi, you're next.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, come to my screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Mavi, and I'm from Valor. So basically, Valor is a first-person tactical shooting game, and we have been able to just put stop to certain problems in the game world in the Web3 space. And one of the problems we've solved is that the Valor is not just a game that sells speculation, and there's a real token behind it. And also, AI we claim daily, it isn't just something that sits in the wallet anymore. It's something that has caused circulation, and there are different operations for people to play, different waves to clear, and then they rank up while playing. And only verified people can play into this game, so you can be sure that you're not playing with bots or anyone else who is not human. From the last epoch, we've been able to make some progress on the game. So the way $G moves is by verifying. So we did a face verification to make sure that there's no bot, and then you earn, and when you earn while you play. So you keep playing, you keep clearing waves, and then you earn while you rank up. You also spend in the marketplace, and it circulates. So we've been able to move about 3.4 million G, and we have about 11,000 on-chain transactions with 6,000 battles played. From our last epoch, we now have an increase from 151 to 300 plus players, and we moved from the 2 million to the 3.4 million circulation of G. And then our on-chain battle moved from 2,900 to 6,000, and we now have a transaction of 11,000 plus. And some of the things we shipped this epoch was the full friend and social system. It's important because Valor encourages community and economy. So usually players already have things that they get in the marketplace that they can spend their G on, but they can also sell and list it up. So each player can buy from different players because everything they get they own. So now we've added a feature where you can add friends, you can send direct messages to them. So you and your friend in Valor can text, you can challenge your friend while in game. Also while playing, there are different challenges. There's the duel where you get into the arena and then you fight blockers together. And then there's a face-off where you can now compete and shoot each other, and whoever wins, you stake, and whoever wins gets the money. And then we've also shipped the playable cards. So we had that earlier, but now we've added a little bit more touch to it. And the referral system has always been a part of Valor. Like I said, every player has a card, so they share their card and a link is tied to that card. So they show other players their achievements and then also give them a link referring them to join Valor. And once they join, we can tell that, oh, this player joined from this particular player. But now we're making it broad by running a campaign with referral system. We're paying the top players are able to refer people for the season, and it started on Sunday and is also going to end Sunday as well. Then we've also pushed notification for all players for social activity to remind them about their ranks and to come back to Valor to play. We've also added more items in the marketplace, and we've had our community grow, not just in Telegram, in Discord, and on X as well. Next epoch, we're looking to push a competitive rank season. So we're going to be live at the Web3 Lagos conference happening on the 28th and 29th. And then we're going to have our campaign run throughout the period there. And we're also going to deepen the referral campaign, also running at that time. So players there can also refer their friends while they are at the conference, and they can also play to win the prize pool that will be set for them. And then we are also looking to expand the marketplace catalog, and then we're also looking to just do more polishing and just take up our space in the gaming world in Web3. And what we are asking for right now is votes, because we need more votes and community involvement, and then also help us share our community. You can join us and play the game and let us know your feedback as well. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Thanks, Mavi. And also thanks for all the work that you've put in. I've seen the growth myself. Thales, I don't know if you're here, but Thales is our data guy, and he came in so that he can see all the things that you guys are doing. Thank you so much for your presentation. I know you've been putting in a lot of work, Mavi, and you're very committed. So I really appreciate to see this. Keep up the growth and keep up being a very, very strong founder. Cool. I think next person we have should be GoodAgent. Sam, excited to hear all your growth and what the 100 agents do. If you can keep time, that would be awesome.
Just a second to share my screen.
Okay.
Right.
If you're not ready,
No, I'm ready.
Okay,
I'm ready.
okay.
Hope you guys have seen my screen.
Yeah.
All right, right. Okay. So go just slideshow here and start from the beginning. So hello everyone. My name is Samuel and I'm the founder of GoodAgent. So basically, GoodAgent in a nutshell is a platform that allows you to it provides an infrastructure where you can deploy, verify, and manage your agent, right? So that agent could do anything as long as we support it. It can play your games, it can remind you about stuff, it can do all like cool stuff that we integrate with it. So basically, for Epoch 4, I just come here. We actually hit a milestone. This is from the last, Epoch 3. We hit a milestone. We now have 100 agents. I think it's just like 101. So these agents actually do have come up from the different partnerships we've had, the different campaigns we've had. And we have these agents have actually played over 13K games. As you can see, it's quite a number of games. And that's actually the basis as why we had actually develop these agents so as they can help on the users. I don't think there is a user who would actually compete with them as far as let's say playing games or doing tasks. So we've also actually given out 500 kgs in rewards. We had some.
You're no longer sharing some.
I saw like a flash on my screen, so I don't know how it's okay. Okay, here share screen again.
Okay.
All right, yeah. So I think I'm back. Okay, so as I was saying, yeah, we gave out 500 kgs in rewards, and that's through our first campaign, which ended I think last week. We already have 2 new campaigns that are ongoing. So so one of the features that we've done from recent is the new chat feature. So right now you can control your agent via Telegram. That means you can start your agent, stop your agent, command your agent via Telegram, and all will be, like Telegram, like provides an interface that we're able to integrate. So I don't know why my screen keeps going off and on. So I will just maybe I won't maximize it right now. So our new pivot, I think this is where we have actually focused on as far as between Epoch 3 and Epoch 4. We realized most of our users were coming from the projects that we integrated. I hope you can still hear me, right?
Yeah.
All right. So our goal now is actually to get our own users because So our new pivot right now is that we are coming up with ways on how we can get our own users independent of the users that we get from other platforms. And with that case, we added multiple login wallets. We had our first in real life campaign where it was amazing. We received a lot of feedback, and that's why we were able actually to revamp some of the UI, because previously it was more the UI was more about like we didn't care more about the UI since we're integrating projects. But now that we are considering users coming directly to our platform, we have that in mind. So we are revamping the UI. We are adding, multiple onboarding strategies that can actually make the users directly come to our platform. So I think that is it. But then the last thing that I want to, this is like an announcement. So previously, we've been working on the GoodRemind. I think it has been up and running for quite a number of days. So what is GoodRemind? GoodRemind is a Telegram assistant actually that notifies you whenever you have a pending $good claim. So claiming $good, you require you have to claim it each and every day, and sometimes we forget, sometimes we're busy, and it's quite hectic, to keep tracking when to claim. So with this agent or on Telegram, you just have to give it your address, and whenever the time for claiming, it will send you a message on Telegram, and then you're like, hey, it will say like, hey, this is the time to claim your $good, and then it will provide for you a link to go and claim your $good, and then you won't miss out. So I encourage one of us to try it out, and yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for the audience.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Sam. I'm happy to hear about the multi-wallet login. Could you just expound like in 30 seconds, like what that is?
Oh, okay,
how
okay,
it looks like?
So previously we had, as I was saying previously, our project is more focused on integrating other projects.
Yeah.
So we only had MetaMask like here. So
okay, I understand now. Okay.
So right now you can log in with multiple
okay, wallets. Okay.
So as we prepare for getting users directed to our platform. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks for that. The reason I asked is because I know that some of us and as brought to me by Kemi is that sometimes and also Caleb from Action Order, that sometimes people are having issues, like people already in the ecosystem trying out say Delulu are having a problem using Onwards because of the login issue, and so we are actively trying to look for a solution for this and allow different users of different apps to interact with many apps in the ecosystem. So if anybody has a solution out there, just putting it out there, that's a solution that we're looking at. And if you have an idea, we'd be happy to walk through it and see how we can basically all work together.
Idea, we'll share it with you later on.
Awesome, thank you. Next is Blockslide. Good job, Sam. I am excited to hear that you had your in real life event. I know that was the Kampala Dev Fest. I'm also happy that you got some feedback, and we can always reiterate on this. Good job, and looking forward to all the integrations with also the other teams. Cool. Blockslide, Collins or Olivia, you are on next. You want me to help you present?
Hi everyone.
Hey.
Yeah, I am Collins.
Me to help you present. You sent the link in the chat.
Okay, no, I just sent the link, so I'll present
okay.
it myself.
Okay.
Can everyone see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Collins from Blockslide, and Blockslide is basically a math puzzle game where you could add numbers and get to a milestone, which is 2048, and get rewarded out of it. So it's a play to win game. And okay, so what we've shipped this month, we've been able to ship in a push notification that notifies our players about the items in the shop. Like, for example, some of the items we have in the game shop are SP boosts ×2 or ×5. We have avatar decoration items, so they can shop from the shop. And also we have a push notification to remind them about bounty whenever a new bounty is starting and when it ends. And also we have a notification, it does not interrupt with their gameplay, that tells them to help us vote on flow states. The cosmetic shop also have been shipped properly. So for our bounty, we've recorded very good progress for our bounty. For the first bounty, we had only 6 participants, 6 players. The second bounty, we had 16 players. And this current bounty that just ended today, that's bounty 3, we had over 50 players. Yes, so the in-app notification I mentioned, we have an undo step that have been implemented so that players can undo a step they don't like and enjoy the game better. So we currently have at Blockslide, we currently have 75 verified real players out of 250 total signups. So these are real players, no farming, no bots at all. So by the numbers, we have 788 game sessions that have been recorded. We've given out $90 worth of G in reward, both for bounty, participation, and all other functions. We have over 50 participants or 50 players for this very bounty that just ended. And also we have 7,753 total on-chain transactions. And we have 84% monthly activity. So we have 84% active users, like the players are active. This 85% out of the 250% players. Both verified players and unverified players are actively playing the game. We had to take out the breach or the limitation. Previously, we had a limitation where we only allow verified players to play the game and submit their score. So we noticed it was really not, the game was not enjoyable by every type of user. So we just made it flexible, much more flexible. Both verified players and unverified players can now play the game. So we currently have 84% monthly active players. So what's next? So what we have next before the next demo day, we want to implement, and it will be very functional before the next demo day, a referral campaign where our players or users can refer and get rewarded for referring other players. We want to achieve 500 new users, hopefully, and we want to have 12,000 on-chain transactions. And also, before the next demo day, and what we have next is our partnership with Game Arena. We've already set it in motion. We are still trying to achieve it properly. So we will keep on with our event and college outreaches, and bounty and gameplay competition continues. So we are going to have the next bounty 4 before the next demo day, bounty 4 and bounty 5. So what next? We will also implement full sponsored gas fee and referral campaign, as I mentioned. So you can check our Goon dashboard to see much of all of these details I just gave in. And also thank you for your time, and we are grateful, and we ask that everyone from the community, please help us vote for Blockslide on Post-its. We ask for some votes also from our mentors. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Awesome. Thanks everybody, thanks Collins and Olivia. I know you guys have worked really hard to bump up your numbers. I'm happy to hear about the undo step on all these creative things that you're doing, especially when it comes to a game like Blockslide. Please try out Blockslide. It's a game just like the classic one, but really helps you to earn rewards if you use it. Yeah, so thanks Colin for also sharing. Good job, and looking forward to seeing more growth. And yeah, let's keep the momentum going. Kemi, you're next.
Yeah. Jam everyone. My name is Kemi, and I'm trying to share my screen. Is my screen up right now?
No, it's not.
Okay.
Now it should be showing, but I'm just only seeing you. Okay, yeah, now your screen is showing.
It's better.
Yeah.
All right, hi everyone. My name is Kemi, and I will be presenting for Onward. Sorry, my network is a bit crappy. So yeah, Onward. Onward remains your plain language crypto education for the ones who have been curious about crypto or keep eating the wall. For where we left off on, for demo day 3, we had a verification blocker due to how we integrated it in our code base. And as a result of that, we had 244 unique learners showing up for 103 being able to verify. As at the previous demo day 3, we also had 500 kg payments pending and a zero batch payouts live. But for what we've shipped from then to now, we've been able to ship out our batch on-chain payments, paying for our first contest and our recently concluded contest, all verifiable on the seller scan. We've been able to ship a real-time analytics of the platform on the admin dashboard. We've been able to also ship a public payout leaderboard. Now, for every winner's amount, their wallet and transaction, it gets shown on the leaderboard as proof rather than just self-reports. We've been also able to ship our admin payout console, which runs our batch payout for any of our contests. And our verification fix has also been shipped. Ryan, can you still hear me? Or
yes.
I go wrong?
Am I frozen?
So,
No, I can
just
hear you.
Curious.
Okay. No,
Okay,
I can hear you. Perfect.
All right, thank you. So our verification fix also landed. We fixed that, and then as a result of that, we got more users to verify on the platform. We also added more intentional visuals to our module in the learn part of the platform. Now, some of our module now features with purpose-built diagrams and icon cards, not just as decoration, but to ensure that abstract ideas land faster for first-time learners. Now, for our biggest improvement for this epoch, our payouts became pro. Initially, we were running our payouts by hand, one by one, but right now, we've been able to upgrade our contracts to batch our transactions for all winners. Our winners were also gated behind token verification. Right now, our verification has been fixed and the rewards unlocked. Initially, we were operating by a trust us on who got paid mechanism, but right now, every amount and then the wallet is not just available on chain, but also available on the leaderboard user interface. We also didn't have a live view of what the entire platform is about, but right now we have an admin dashboard that gives real-time live analytics to avoid the kind of breakage broken system we had last week. Now, to our proof of impact, our users, our unique learners moved from 244 to 451 in this epoch. We moved from having 103 newly verified users from last epoch to a total of 225 verified users, giving us about 122 newly verified users. We also have, for this epoch, we had 580,000 G being distributed as well as circulated on the platform, pushing our G volume to about 1.2 million in about 1.2 million G. Then for our transactions in this epoch, we have over 4,000 plus transactions across 3 contracts on Celuminate. Then for what we are headed to a other pressure play. We intend to introduce new scam patterns for our daily play with rising difficulty level for our learners so they can improve on their play instincts. We also intend to leverage on work on our referral growth engine in such a way that we turn our habitual learners into a channel that brings friends to the platform. Then for the next demo, we intend to work on module guardrails, meaning that speed should not be the only thing that ends in module completion on the platform, but we intend to introduce lesson pacing that rewards real study. For our hacks, we ask that you back us on flow states with your vote. The second ask is we won't get tired of asking for being introduced to student community or educator. And as well, we are always open to you telling us different ways we can improve on board. Thank you.
Awesome.
I don't know if there's any questions.
Thank you so much, Kemi. I know all the work that has gone into this for you to put in new modules, have all this transparent, transparent, data as well. And also for you to fix the verification issue that you're having. I'm really glad, and I'm also happy to see people, using onwards. Yes, please give Kemi all your feedback. And if you can try out basically, or can share her app with students or introduce her to student communities if you have. I know Salake, and I think Olivia and Delulu, Zinta, they have student communities, so also reach out to them, Kemi. And yeah, we can talk about it when we chat next, but congratulations on all the growth. And last but not least, we have Caleb, action order. Take it away. Looking forward to hearing about all the growth.
I don't know if you can hear me.
Yes, perfectly.
Yeah, so I'm Caleb, and I'm from Action Order, and I'm from Demo Day 3. From Demo Day 3, what have changed? First of all, one thing we did differently was from the workshop we had with Melody, where we learned a few things. And I think the first thing we wanted to do was giving users a feel of what the game is like before we ask them to verify or do any other action. So first things we did was make the games free, like your first 3 trials were very free, so you can test and know what the game is about before you cannot commit to it. We also deployed the match registry. We started a daily bounty, and also we're able to ship our referral program. So when we started our daily bounty, we've paid out over 645,000 Gs, 12 playing days. Currently, we also have a referral program, and so far we've gotten like 34 people via the links, 31, sorry. And also, yes, this is a snapshot of our leaderboard currently. This snapshot was taken just some minutes ago. And we have people actively playing every day because we introduced the daily bounty. We saw a surge in the amount of games played and also the amount of Gs that circulates in the game. So currently, we have had 125 free wallets interact with our contract, but out of that, 109 are currently verified. We've sold 69 passes, season passes, and also our on-chain matches, which we just shipped the contract a few days ago. Currently have 209. So let me continue. So why we asked them to play before we asked them to pay. So after the workshop, we did a test with a few users and just very new people who wanted to onboard and ask them what they thought. And they said it was a very great idea to allow them play before they committed to playing. And we shipped that immediately. And then we've seen a little growth from that. Yeah, so what we're building next, what we want to do next is build a 2-player wager. Since it's a P2P, 2 people can play. So we're going to add a wager and also continue our referral contest. And also we just finished our integration with GoodAgent, and tomorrow our agent bounty is going live.
Nice.
Yeah, so thank you, that's all. So just support us on Flow State, we'll keep building and pushing. Thank you.
Awesome. Please confirm if you can hear me. My screen froze. You can hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, awesome. Congratulations again on all the growth. I'm looking forward to actually that integration with basically GoodAgent. And also anybody else who has something to do with AI, please reach out to GoodAgent. I'm also happy to hear that you are integrating, you are also integrating lessons from the workshop that Melody had. That was one of our very strong workshops that we've had, alongside like all the other ones as well. So today I'll pass by and check what you have. Congratulations again on all the growth. And I'm looking forward to you being closer to reaching your milestones ahead of Demo Day 5. So that marks the end of the presentations for everybody, and I still have 3 minutes. I just want to say that I'm really impressed by all the teams and all the work that you guys have put in. It's always like this. So around Demo Day 3, Demo Day 4, there's a lot of growth, lots of competition for votes, and also us inviting people from the community also to come and view. And this time round, I'm really happy to see a lot of growth from each and every team. No team is lagging behind. Every team is just pushing and pushing to become the best. So I'd urge that for Demo Day 5, we also see this growth. Please keep pushing. We are also looking at integrations with various platforms. And so we really want to push the word forward about what beautiful products you guys are building. And I just want to say thank you again for all the commitment. Just to recap, this recording is also going to be shared on YouTube. We will also share with you, the invitation to the workshop that Drew will be basically presenting. And again, if you ever need support or if you need support, please reach out to me. If you are amongst the community and you want to back one of the projects, please let me know. And please reach out to me. My Telegram is Ryle Kilonzo. So I'm just going to put it there. Feel free to DM me. Also look at our Telegram, Good Dollar. And yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for showing up today. I know we have a few mentors on the call. Please remember to vote. The teams rely on your vote to continue building. And so thank you so much in advance for voting for them. And if you're a community, also please go vote and support our builders. In the interest of time, and I think for the first time in a long time, we're going to finish on time. Thank you so much, everybody, for showing up and all the growth. I wish you the best, and let's keep chatting tomorrow and Thursday as we continue to build. And again, congratulations on all the growth. See you on the other side when we post all the updates on the season. And Blockslide, we will share the highlight today, so look out for that as well. Other than that, thank you, everybody, and bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Raya. Bye, everyone.
Bye.